Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to quit WhatsApp on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to the WhatsApp app on our iPhone or iPad. Next here, when we go, we have chats, calls, contacts. To exit, we press settings. And as you can see, when we scroll down, we don't have a logout tab. So we can't log out, like we can do on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. In order to log out, we need to uninstall WhatsApp completely from our iPhone or iPad. But before we do that, we need to go into the settings, open chats, then chat back, and make sure you back up our chats, so that we can keep correspondence, photos, videos, documents, etc. After that, we exit. We press WhatsApp, click Remove App, and Delete App. Once we have deleted, we go to Play Store on iPhone or iPad, and then in the search box we write WhatsApp. We find it. We go to the app, and click Download. Once it's downloaded, we go to our profile. We write our phone number. A message comes up, we confirm, and we can log in, and use our WhatsApp as we used to. That's how easy it is to get out. If you liked and helped this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.